3 minus 6 equals minus 3, right? And 2 plus 2 all squared. Now it looks like minus 3, 2 plus 2 whole squared. So 2 plus 2 equals 4 and whole squared. Right now 4 squared means 4 times 4 equals 16. Minus 3 and 16. Now here is multiply. So minus 3 times 16 equals minus 48. So you get minus 48, but this is wrong because you ignored the correct order. So now the correct way, step by step, no skipping. Alright, so start with the bracket. Do the bracket first. So 3 minus 6, 2 plus 2 equals 4 whole squared. Now exponent first. 3 minus 6 whole squared means 16. Now here is multiply, right? So multiplication must be done before subtraction. So 6 times 16, right? 3 minus 6 times 16, 96, right? So 3 minus 96 equals minus 93. Keep the negative sign.